Hi Capricorns, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. I hope that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 9th August 2021 and so on. Let's begin, okay? I'm seeing here that something is being brushed. Like it's a big brush and someone is like cleaning actually the floor. It's also basically the stains or removing the dirt, and symbolically it is something that someone is formatting, okay, clearing the stuff, deleting something basically in order to cleanse the particular area, place, heart, okay. So it's basically healing in super words. Also something that someone doesn't want back or is not ready to accept again. Capricorns might be clearing the area, okay? Or in actual sense, they're clearing. You're clearing your place, home. For some cases, it's like someone is wiping out. That's what I said. After brushing, wiping. So it's like clear canvas. It's like clean place, okay? This place, it's like even the crumb is not there, and then it is clean, okay? And it is also, I'm hearing like Capricorn is becoming more clear and clean in the mind and in heart regarding certain connection here or your situation. Because I feel that this energy is calling you to take a leap of faith in the way of clarifying yourself actually first about someone, or how they are resonating with you, or how they are talking, reciprocating with you, and how they are not reciprocating with you. So this is basically clearing the confusion, the pathway, the crossroad, okay? You also have the bottom energy as, okay, so I was just doing this, you need to see it. You have the bottom energy as Two of Swords energy, and with this Ace of Cups. It's about clarifying your own thoughts and emotions, if it is going with you or however it goes vice versa. And Two of Swords is about where you are with this person at cross. Who is not reciprocating your love? Because I feel that you might be doing this in order to clarify your love that you hold for someone, okay, if it goes that way. There is someone who might be feeling or making you feel like in a rigid situation, no decision, no clarification, and yet hanging on with one another makes no sense. The offer is being done, possible Capricorns, you were doing that for someone, offering them, but someone is not ready, or you might not be ready, however it fits you. Okay, so this is here. Jack of Hearts, which may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. While shuffle, there was also Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but I feel like it's your vibe of stopping somewhere. You're not agreeing, or you're not heading towards something. The reason might be that the love that you hold for someone made you feel like this. And maybe you being the king or the queen, however, but you felt as though I'm in this scratching situation or the startup of something. Because of this, okay? Page of Cups is like expression that you might have done or you're doing. But this is like your overall energy where you're thinking about. Maybe you will receive the message as well, or you will end up sending. If this is about receiving, then again, this is like from where it is coming. I feel like someone who becomes unemotional at times, or they do not reciprocate that much that you do for someone, or however someone does for you or do for you. This energy is about clarifying one's thoughts, and it's about why we are doing this, what is the purpose of this, where we are heading with this, so why we are even talking. So your energy is all about, okay, I'm going to head towards, or we are going to proceed with this only when you're sure of that, sure of your emotions. I feel many of you are clarifying again. I told you, maybe you're becoming sure of your own self and the person as well. This is also getting to the bottom of the situation, or bottom of the emotions of the person. Because I saw like brushing and wiping and cleaning. So people are getting clear about each other's thoughts. That's what I see. Look, Five of Swords. Why then if we talk we have like a feeling of emptiness, or we are feeling hollow, or why we are having that line drawn? Because I feel acceptance problem is not genuine, like it's not that clear, it's not that it's like I'm also hearing like a public affection. If it is there, it's like we are not going to meet like that in the public, okay? It's just normal hi, and then it's going to be something is formal here. It's said formal, it's not even affectionate friendship. And the person in the corner, they say some things, okay? I also see someone is dragging someone in the corner to the corner and saying something like, you know, don't say like this, don't do like that. It's like a stop, it's like stopping the energy. And then you might be feeling, or the person might be feeling very empty and hollow, like why this line drawn between us, like, you know, if we are together, we are together. If it is not, then it's not. So that's what is brushing and clearing is coming. Something is stressing you out. 9 of Swords energy. You might be in this relationship of anxiety, okay? The anxiety that someone might be giving you. And the anxiety comes because we overthink. Because they are giving that reason to overthink. Because they are not clear. So there is something that is unclear in the relationship or the connection, whatever you have with the person or any particular situation you have. Like even work areas or something. These are general readings. But I feel like you're thinking about your love that you gave. And this energy in your present, like overall heart energy, is all about where my love is going. Should I stop? That's why you're going to brush and remove the stains. So some of you are decluttering. That's what I said, okay? Maybe this was caused to you and you are feeling this from last 9 months straight, okay? And you're like, why? And then the breakthrough comes. Ace of Swords is about that brushing, that clarification, the truth, decision. It's about either this is or this is not. Very clear Ace of Swords is coming. It is about even endings. Ending that anxiety, like it's like calamity that is coming, is over you, is hovering over you basically. It's like the cloud that is becoming dark because it's going to rain. And it's causing you the storm and the lightning, but it is not giving you that rainbow, okay? So when it is not showing you that rainbow, because rainfall is not happening, which is about you need to clarify the place. You need that rain. So you need to remove that anxiety. That anxiety is a cloud. It's a challenging situation that you are unable to see any hope or light regarding this connection. Like you cannot see the sun. So maybe there is also Leo involved, apart from Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Taurus, Virgo. Because I see like that page is your energy that you might be feeling right now and you don't want to be in that. It's like why we are then here, okay? So I wish you love and clarification, because you are bringing clarification in your life on your own, I feel. You're drawing the line. Let's see in your future. Because I see the hope, the sun is the thing that you are bringing in your life, okay? Because you are the one who is brushing, you are the one who is cleaning the place, you are the one who is doing that stuff. And I don't know why I picked up the stain. I mean, maybe the stain is about real bruises or something like that. Is there any abuse or violence, guys? Please don't be or don't stay in that. And if someone is there, please help them out and call for help. Do that, please. This Three of Swords is the cause of trouble possible, the misunderstandings, the edge of something, or triangle situation, someone third party, fourth party even involved. Doesn't matter. This is Three of Swords. There may be someone who is doing multi-dating or, you know, lying to you possible, if this is this person. And covering up with utter lies or something like that for some cases, not for everyone. But Three of Swords is also the energy of separation, breakup, or however this is a bitter. I also hear divorce if you are married or were married. Again, it's not for everyone. If it pertains, if it fits you, it's for you. Otherwise, just let it go. This is something that you are breaking. This is something that you are taking out those words from your heart, the piercings, and that's when it bleeds, right? So something is aching, and actually heart aches. People who know it, it actually does, because there's a scientific reason behind that. There's a scientific reason, and I've read it. It's like something, you know, whatever is heart is made up of inside, and it aches because the threads connected, not exactly, the biological term is different, but the threads connected, the strings and all that, they break. Not all, but when they break, minute, they separate for time being. And if it is making sense, it's actually there, I read somewhere, then that's why it hurts, because there's pain. So your heart goes through that stretching, and it's exceed limits of some things and exaggerations of something, and that's when it hurts. This might be happening, and that's why I said stain. So what exactly that stain is, it's like tear stain or something else, and someone is brushing and removing that. It is difficult, yes, but you are coming with clarity. So this is separation. This is something that you're going to clarify yourself. What is beyond this Three of Swords? You're taking the decision. Look, I had the feeling of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but it's like something, I'm hearing no tantrums. Nothing that you're going to hear. You're going to take decision because you really need 11/11 recording time. There may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but it's also counseling. Now counseling may be something connected with something exactly for like divorce or something, separation related to law and all, lawyer possible, you're getting counseling, or therapy of something wherein you are going to feel good. When you are ready, you're going to, you're talking to someone, I feel here. Now this is not necessary again that professionally you are going somewhere. This may be someone who understands you, someone who is very close to you, and they make sense when you talk to them, and they're going to be the right one to get counseling or advice. Okay, it does happen. Someone who is very close to you. So this may be male figure for some of you, exact king, or someone who is just your friend. Okay, or someone who is your friend and is into this field of counseling, advice, something like that, and they are going to tell you exactly what you really need to hear. Or for some cases, this may be something, your own energy of making hard and tough decision here. Maybe there's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? So maybe you figured out who is with the one you are with or you wanted to be with. However, this can go vice versa. But there's also something that is connected with your breaking free or clarifying some stuff with the person. Let's see. I feel it's going to decrease because it increased because of what you felt for one another or what someone made you feel. I feel like in this time frame, it's all about your health. Look, this is the one who dances, and this is like, it's all about the shoes and everything, and it's aching but dancing. So 13/13 recording time, it's time to break free. Okay, this is cross. You're at cross, or you want to let things be in peace, and it's paining, but you should not dance. But something was supposed to, and it kept on happening, or you been dancing on someone's tunes, or possible vice versa. But this energy is saying that you need to overcome something that is giving you pain and ache. I hope it's going to help you. Take care. Bye. See you soon.